Alrighty, it is Thursday, March 20th, 3:18 p.m. Managed to get out here, hopefully an extra day, not just Thursday and not Friday. So anyway, stay tuned, see what we can do. I got bit already. Nice. Get out here, buddy. Come on, let's beat the skunk early. Small, but hey, fish is a fish. Oh, feisty. Oh, come on. Ooh, I hate it when it's right there on the bottom lip like that. Sorry, buddy. Ta-da! Little dink. Dink lives matter. Alrighty. Nice, beat the skunk already. Okay, let's keep going. Number 2. Come on, buddy. Oh! Not number 2. Dang. Oh well. Let's see. See, that hook barely got in there. I'm gonna hit him a little harder next time. Darn. Nice. Ooh, that feels good. Come on, buddy. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh, yes. Oh, no. Did you see that?
No, I saw it.
That
was a 4.
Yeah.
At least a 4.
At least. Oh. It's okay. Let's keep going. Alrighty, that's it for this little corner. Fished it for about an hour. It's 4:46. I'm gonna work my way up this bank and call it a day. Come on, baby. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oh, that's a good fish. Woo! Oh, I'm tangled. Okay. Yeah, yes! Finally a good fish. Look at that. Ugh. Woo! On the roof of the mouth. Almost lost you too. On that Z-Man green pumpkin. Heck yeah. Look at you. We'll weigh this one. 2.33. Nice. Decent fish. Heck yeah. One more time. Thank you, big girl. Nice. That's 2. Let's keep going. It's still early. It's only 4:58. That's how you know I've caught a lot of dinks, when a 2 1/4 feels massive. Oh man. Ooh, good fish. Good fish. Yes. Another one. Another 2 1/4, 2 1/2. Look at you. Beautiful fish. All right, that's 3. All right, baby. Thank you. Woo. That was nice. Let's keep going. Nice. Cool, that's 4. Alrighty. I think I might have found some fish here. Keep fishing this little spot. Got a bit. Ooh, come on. That hook better be in you. I jinxed it. I did that myself. I shouldn't have said anything. Oh, God. Alrighty, well, let's keep going. Alright, baby, come on. Yes. Yes. Oh. Best one of the day, in my opinion. Thank you, sir. Think lives matter. Got you. Got you, buddy. Got you. Damn, dude. Come on. I'm not gonna say the words. I got you. Nice. That was a good hook set right there. Boom. Beautiful fish. Number 6. Thank you. Go lay some egg. I see your poofy tummy. Alrighty. Let's keep going. Try to squeeze out one more. Alrighty, I guess 6 for the day is all I'm gonna get. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back tomorrow. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Shoot, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.